In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your videos easier to follow and more accessible for your audience, adding subtitles is a great step. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own project. Start by going to your timeline. This is where all of your video, audio, and text elements are arranged, and it's also where subtitle tracks are managed. Once you're in the timeline area, look for the subtitle track. If you already have one available in your project, you can use it right away. From there, right-click on the subtitle track. A menu will appear, and in that menu, click Add Subtitle. This will place a subtitle clip onto the subtitle track, and that clip is what you'll use to enter and display your text on screen. This is the main starting point for creating subtitles manually in your timeline. If you do not have a subtitle track yet, don't worry. You can create one first. Simply right-click in the track section of the timeline, then choose Add a Subtitle Track. Once that subtitle track appears, you'll be ready to start adding subtitle clips to it. After that, right-click on the subtitle track and click Add Subtitle, just like before. Once the subtitle has been added, you'll be able to customize the text. This is where you type in the words you want your viewers to read. Make sure your text matches the spoken content clearly and keep it easy to read. Short, clean subtitle lines usually work best, especially if viewers are watching on smaller screens. You can also adjust the subtitle clip duration. This is important because you want each subtitle to stay on screen long enough for people to comfortably read it, but not so long that it lingers after the speech has moved on. To do that, simply resize or adjust the subtitle clip in the timeline so it lines up better with the audio or dialogue in your video. And that's it. Once you've added your subtitle track, inserted a subtitle clip, customized the text, and adjusted the duration, you've successfully added subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in the quality and accessibility of your video.